My name is Clay Alder, broker salesman at Dixon Realty. I am here with Christie and Mark, and they've got the money from Eagle Home Mortgage of California. Mark, nice to see you.
Clay, great seeing you.
All right, how are you, dear?
Thanks for having us. Good.
I'm very welcome. Now, do you guys have all the money out in your trunk? I mean, do you have it so if somebody wants to get a loan, they just call you and they come and you give it to them? That's how it works, huh?
Yeah, it takes about 2 minutes.
Yes, yeah, I wish. You know, it
Yeah.
used to be that way, kind of, yeah. Hey, what I want to talk about is there are people out there that own investment properties, say rental homes. And let's say they own them free and clear and they want to take advantage of maybe buying some other property right now.
Sure.
How do they get that money out of there? Is it under the same terms as a owner-occupied home? What happens there?
Basically, it's the same. It's considered a cash-out refinance.
Okay.
And as long as you have the equity in your property and you qualify, you can certainly pull it out for whatever you want. Now, the interest rates are going to be a little bit higher on an investment property over a primary residence or a second home.
Okay.
But where rates are being historically low where they are right now,
Yeah.
even pulling out cash from an investment property, it works.
All
Well,
right.
you just had that experience this week.
Right. I just had a client that got a hold of me and they wanted to pull money out of their primary residence to purchase another investment property.
Yep.
Okay, what about the savvy investor that doesn't want to get a fixed rate mortgage and they want to do an adjustable so they can take advantage of probably a much lower rate?
It really has to do with the time frame that they're going to be in the property. A lot of people are like, maybe their child is a senior in high school, they're in a large home, and they know in a couple of years they're going to be out of that residence.
Sure.
They're going to be moving on. So why not refinance into a 5, 7, or a 10-year ARM, give yourself a little leeway, and take advantage of just extremely low rates.
Yeah.
Why not?
And you could also put it on an interest-only loan, which is really gets the payment really low.
Sure.
It's a wonderful option.
Okay, and the investors out there and the savvy, they know all these things, but it'd probably be good for them to give you a call and sit down with you and go over those terms, whether it be an interest only, whether it be
Sure.
amortized over a 30-year, you know, due in 7 or 10 or whatever, something like that. The time period for those loans, are they a great deal longer than just getting
Not
no,
at all.
about the same?
About 21 days is what we're averaging.
Oh, wait a minute, he says he's got the money in the trunk. 2
Oh,
days.
that's right. Darn.
The average
You better go to
escrow
Mark
is
instead of
about
me.
30 days,
About
but it's
30.
our job to get any transaction done as quickly as possible.
Right.
Of course it is, and you guys do a great job on that. Now, for the first-time home buyers, interest rates are still low. Inventory is a bit low right now, so you know, they got to get out there and do that. But those loans, again, 30 days or so.
Yes.
They are, and with the down payment assistance programs we have right now, this is a perfect time for those first-time home buyers and even the non-first-time home buyers to take advantage of these low rates and get in while the values are still
I agree.
not too high.
With all the things that are happening in Reno, you know, Tesla coming in and all the companies coming in beside that, there's just a buzz about this town. And you know, when I moved here from the Midwest in the 70s, the reason I moved here was not because of the gaming and things like that. It was a wonderful place to live, and
Right.
and
Still
it,
is.
and
It
it
still
still
is.
is, and that's why they're doing it. Jumbo money, you were talking about that. Still available?
Still available, and the rates are phenomenal. They're even lower than conforming, so it's just a beautiful, beautiful time to either purchase or refinance on a jumbo loan, which is over $417,000.
There you go. And what's the best number to reach you guys? And will you take the time, however long it takes, to sit down with somebody? I know I've seen
Always.
clients in there
Yeah.
for 2-3
Always.
hours on there explaining things.
We
but
have a
that's
lot
good.
of fun with our clients.
Yeah.
Best number to reach us, Clay, is 850-3187.
Okay, thank you so
Good to
much. Very
see
nice to
you.
see you.
Great seeing
Mark,
you,
thanks
Clay.
very much. All right, and for the money, give them a call at Eagle Home Mortgage of California, and we'll be back after this. Thanks.
For your next real estate loan, choose Eagle Home Mortgage of California. We offer local processing and quick turnaround featuring FHA, conventional, jumbo, VA, or any type of real estate loan.
Hi, I'm Mark Lubacek.
And I'm Christy Phillips.
Whether you're purchasing a new home or refinancing, we're available to help you with all your mortgage needs.
So please give us a call at 850-3187.
Eagle Home Mortgage of California, your local source for the best in customer service.